This is Sharad from Lord's School. Today I am going to explain how to solve pair of linear equations in two variables by using cross multiplication method. Already we learned elimination method, substitution method. Now today's class is cross multiplication method. First of all, here two equations are there, pair of linear equations. In this, first step is to do cross multiplication. Write these two equations in general form. What is the general form? Actually, the general form of pair of linear equations is a1x plus b1y, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the general form. So like this you convert into general form. The given question is not there in general form, that's what you have to convert to general form. So the first equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. The first equation I am converting into general form. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Transposing this plus 12, we can write plus 12 plus 0. This is equal to 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. You can write 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. That's why this plus 12 will be transposed from LHS to RHS. That will be minus 12 is equal to 0. Next, second equation, 5x minus 2y. The plus 4 will be transposed from RHS to LHS. That will be minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, these two are the new equations. By using these two new equations, you have to solve these equations by using cross multiplication method. Actually, the main important thing is here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. First of all, a1x, here I am writing this equation here, 5x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Just compare. What is that? This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. C2 is equal to 0. Just compare. a1 is equal to, here in this case a1 is equal to 3. What is b1? b1 is equal to 2. What is c1? c1 is equal to minus 12. c1 is equal to minus 12. Coming to here, a2 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 4. That is important. Why? Because here this is plus of minus 4, that's why c2 is equal to minus 4. Here also plus of minus 2y, that's why b2 is equal to minus 2. This is very, very important. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Now, how to solve? Carefully listen. So, first of all, you have to write in a special order. So, first of all, this one, forget about this x coefficients. First, you write y coefficients. 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2. And minus 12 constants. Minus 12, minus 4. Now, close this y coefficients. What is there? Minus 12, minus 4. Okay, already I have written. Next, 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. Now you close these two. Now what is that? 3, 5 and 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. So otherwise, better to write first. Here again I am writing 2. Start from the middle term. That is nothing but y coefficients. 2 minus 2. Minus 12. Minus 4. Again you go to first term. 3, 5. After that, what is there in first? The same thing you will be in last also. Here 2 comma minus 2. Here also 2 comma minus 2. Once again I am explaining. Once again. First, to forget about the x coefficients. 2 minus 2. Next, my constants minus 12, minus 4. Now x coefficient 3, 5. Again the starting, what is there in starting? That same thing will come. Okay, now we have to write like this. Now you have to write here x, this is y, here it is 1. It is 1. X, y, 1. Now this method is called as cross multiplication method. That's why now I am going to solve this method. So actually formula x by 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4. X by 2 into minus 4. This is actually formula minus. That's why here minus 2 into minus 12. Minus 2 into minus 12. Minus 2 into minus 12. First one 2 into minus 4. Formula minus 2 into minus 12 is equal to x y by what is that? 12 into minus 12 into 5. Minus 12 into 5. Minus 12 into 5. Formula minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3. Okay. Next 1. 1 by 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Formula minus 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 2. Once again, x by 2 into minus 4. Formula minus 2 into minus 12. Y by minus 12 into 5. Formula minus 4 into 3. 1 by 3 into minus 2. Formula minus 5 into 2. 5 into 2. This is very, very important. If you know this one, this method is very, very easy. So now x divided by 4 2s are 8, but minus 4, no, that's what minus 8. Minus 2 12s are 24. Minus into minus plus, that's why plus 24. So minus, this is formula minus. This is formula minus. Is equal to y by minus 60. Minus 60. Why? Because 12 5s are 60. Here minus 12 into 5 minus 60. And formula minus 4 3s are 12, but here minus, that's why minus 12 is equal to 1 by 3 2s are 6, but here minus 6 minus 5 2s are 10. Minus 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Now you have to simplify. This implies x by minus 8 minus 24 minus 32. Here actually I forget to write here. Yes, not negative, positive. Actually I have to write one more step. This is nothing but minus 60 minus into minus plus, you are habituated, no? Plus 12. Not negative, positive, plus 12. So here is separately I wrote. Then y is equal to y by minus 60 plus 12. Minus 60 plus 12, that is nothing but 12 minus 60. 12 minus 60, 48. Minus 48 is equal to 1 by minus 16. Minus 6 minus 10 minus 16. Now what is that? You have to equate this first ratio, second ratio, third ratio. So we can call it as a ratio also, no? First ratio, second ratio, third ratio. First and second, third ratios first you equate, you will get x value. Second and third ratios you equate, you will get y value. Once again, first ratio, second ratio, third ratio. First you equate first and third, you will get x value. Second you equate the second and third, you will get y value. Now we'll go do that one. So the first one is x by minus 32 is equal to 1 by minus 16. 1 by minus 16. First ratio is equal to third one. Now I'll get x value. So x is equal to 1 by minus 16. The by minus 32 will be transposed into minus 32. Into minus 32. This is minus 16, that is minus 32. Very simple. When you have minus and minus will be cancelled. 16 table 1 time, 16 table 2 times. That implies x is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. I got x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now I'm going to find y value. The second one, second ratio, y by minus 48 is equal to 1 by minus 16. So y is equal to 1 by minus 16. The by minus 48 will be transposed, transposed by 48, minus 48 will be into minus 48. That implies y is equal to minus minus will be cancelled. 16 table 1 time, 16 table 3 times. Finally 1 by 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Finally I got y is equal to 3. Phi is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. This is the solution for the given equations by using cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. One more sum, pair of linear equations in two variables. So first of all, what is the first step? Writing general form. Already it is there in general form. No need to write. Now, what is the quotients we have to find? What is the quotient of x? There is no quotient in the sense 1. In this second equation 3. Here y coefficients minus 3, minus 3. My constants are minus 7, minus 15. First, this is very, very important. The first step, you have to draw a diagram. This is a diagram you think. The first one is y coefficients, no, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Forget about x. Minus 3, minus 3 afterwards. Minus 7, minus 15. Minus 7, minus 15. Now, y coefficient is over. Constant is over. Now x coefficient. What are the x coefficient? 1, 3. 1, 3. What is there in first column? The same thing you can write in the last column. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3. Minus 3. Now, once again, this step is very, very important. This is x, y and 1. Once again. First, forget about x coefficient. X coefficients minus 3, minus 3. Once again, here I am writing minus 3, minus 3. Next, constants minus 7, minus 15. Next, about the quotients about x 1 and 3. What is the first column? The same thing we can write minus 3, minus 3. This is very, very important. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 7, minus 15. 1, 3 and the first one, what is there in first one? The same thing will come in last. Now, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. X by first step 3 into minus 15. 3 into, sorry, minus 3 into minus 15. minus 3 into minus 15. Cross multiplication, no? Minus 3 into minus 15 minus 15. Formula minus next minus 3 into minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to y by minus 7 into 3. 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 And formula minus minus 15 into 1. Minus 15 into 1. Minus 15 into 1. Minus 15 into 1. Minus 15 into 1 is equal to 1 by this one 1 by 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3. Formula minus 3 into minus 3. 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 That implies x by minus into minus plus 3 15s are 45. Formula minus minus into minus plus 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21 is equal to y by 7 3s are 21 minus 7, no, that's why minus 21. That's why minus 21. Formula minus next 15 ones are 15 minus 15 into 1, no, that's what minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3 ones are 3 minus 3, that's why minus 3. Formula minus 3. Formula minus 3 3s are 9. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. The next step. What is the next step? X by 45 minus 21. 5 minus 1 4. 4 minus 2 2. 24. X by 24 is equal to, so first I will write the same. Now x by 24, okay, first I will write later, first I will write 45 minus 21. 45 minus 21, 45 minus 21 is equal to y by minus 21. Minus into minus plus are not negative positive, that's why plus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 3. Minus into minus plus are not negative positive, plus 9. Okay, x by 45 minus 21 24 is equal to y by minus 21 plus 15, that is nothing but 15 minus 21 is equal to minus 20. 15 minus 21 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 3 plus 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Now equating first and third. equating first and third and second and third. If you want, if you equate x first and third, you'll get x value. If you equate second and third, you'll get y value. Equating first and third ratios. What is the first ratio? X by 24. What is the third ratio? 1 by 6. 1 by 6. That implies x is equal to 1 by 6. The divided by 4 will be transposed from LHS to RHS into 24. That implies x is equal to 6 table 1 time, 6 table 4 times. That's why answer is 1 by 1 into 4 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. We completed x is equal to 4. Now equating second and third, ratio and third ratio. Second and third ratios. What is second ratio? Y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. That implies y is equal to 1 by 6 divided by symbol. The divided by the y by minus 6. By minus 6 will be into minus 6. Here divided by symbol is that. That's why again into minus 6. Don't think it is positive 6. This is nothing but y divided by minus 6. Y by minus 6. That will be transposed from LHS to RHS into minus 6. That implies y is equal to 6 table 1 time. Finally 1 into 1 1. That is minus 1. That's why 1 into 1 1. This is 1 into that is minus 1. Finally y is equal to minus 1. Just I got x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1 are the solutions of the given pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, one more sum. These are the given equations, but these equations are not in general form. That's what definitely our method is to definitely have to write in general form. Now, what is the general form of this equation? 8x plus 5y. This plus 9 will be transposed to minus 9 is equal to 0. What is the general form? This is equation 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So these two are in general form. Now I will write the general form. Minus 9 is equal to 0 and minus 4 is equal to 0. Just I converted the given equations into its general form. Now we know very well what is that. Okay, first 5, the numerical, forget about the x. First y, the quotients of y should be in right in one column. 5 2 5 5 and 2. 5 2. Next, minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 minus 4. Next, x quotients 8 3 8 3 8 and 3 8 3. These are the x quotients. This is y quotient constant, x quotients, and again the same y will come 5 comma 2. X y 1. X y 1. Once again here I am writing. So here first 5 2 minus 9 minus 4, x quotient 8 3 5 2 minus 9 minus 4 8 3. Again y quotient 5 comma 5. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. So once again 5 2 minus 9 minus 4 8 3 and 5 2 minus 9 minus 4 8 3 and again 5 2. Here and here the same thing we get. Now I am going to solve these equations by using cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So you know very well, x by 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4. And formula minus, what is that next? 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9. That is equal to y by minus 9 into 3. Y by minus 9 into 3. Formula minus minus 4 into 8. Minus 4 into 8. Minus 4 into 8. Minus 4 into 8 is equal to 1 by 1 no, that's why 1 by 8 into 2. 8 into 2. 8 into 2. 8 into 2. Formula minus 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. 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 5 into minus 4. Formula minus 2 into minus 9. And minus 9 into 3. And my formula minus 4 into 8. And 8 into 2. Minus 3 into 5. Now simplification. That implies x by 5 4s are 20, but minus no, that's what 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18, but 2 into minus 9 no, minus 18. Minus 18. That implies y by 9 3s are 27, but minus is there, that's why minus 9 into 3 minus 27 minus 4 8s are 32, but minus 4 into 8 minus 32. Minus 32. Minus 32. That implies 1 by 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Here also better you write this minus 50. Minus 50. Minus 50. That implies next step, x by minus 20, minus into minus plus are not negative positive, plus 18 is equal to y by minus into minus plus are minus 27 plus 32 is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15. 1 by 16 minus 15. So that implies x by minus 20 plus 18, that is nothing but 18 minus 20 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Y by minus 27 plus 32, that is nothing but 32 minus 27 5 is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15 1. 16 minus 15 1. Now to get x value, to equate 1 and 3, equating the ratios 1 and 3, to get x values, equating the ratios 1 and 3, to get y values, equating the ratios 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Equating first and third ratios, that is nothing but x by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. You can write 1 also, no problem. So x by once again I'll write, the place won't be sufficient. X by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. That implies x by minus 2 is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1 by 2 will be by minus 2. Again, by minus 2 will be transposed into minus 2. Into minus 2. That implies x is equal to minus 2 is the first answer. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Creating second and third ratios. What is second ratio? Y by 5 is equal to y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1. That is nothing but y by 5 is equal to 1. That is nothing but y is equal to 1 by 5 will be into 5. That is nothing but y is equal to 5. So my answer is x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. This is the final answer. So we solved by using these two pair of linear equations by using cross multiplication method. So far we did 3 sums. Now I am giving assignment. All of you do this assignment, okay, and send your class teacher. We completed cross multiplication method. Here total 6 sums are there for homework. So all of you solve these 6 sums by using cross multiplication method and send to your class teacher. This is the given assignment.